Okay, today at Highridge, we're going to continue on from the previous video that we made where the AI will categorize your emails in your inbox. So it's suitable for anyone who is receiving 50 to 100 or more emails a day. It sorts out what needs to be looked at first. So let's take a look. We're going to send some test emails and try to align it with these labels: existing client, general, new inquiry, and quote request. So let's send these now. Existing client, quote request. So let's go into the automation. This is what we've built previously. So we have Gmail, we've got the AI, and then we have a router, which pushes the category back into Gmail. So let's take a look. All right. All right, so let's go and see if it categorized it correctly. Just going to refresh. All right, excellent. So we can see now we have the color coding correct. And this is a great start to your day. You know what's important. You can see red for new inquiry. So this is a potential new lead. So yeah, we're continuing on with this series. We could build multiple more automations. If you have an idea, think about it. If it's removing any manual repetitive work from your day-to-day, this is what we're aiming to do. So please get in touch and we can look at a build for you.